Hi, I'm Ben, and I'm here to review the Remington 4790 shaver that I bought at Walmart recently for $30. My review is going to focus exclusively on how loud this thing is, which is remarkably loud. And the way we're going to measure that is with the sound pressure level meter. Let's find out how loud it is, shall we? Let's go see if we can find something louder. A 5-horsepower snowblower. A 20-horsepower lawnmower. How about a pancake compressor? A chainsaw. How about a backpack blower? A 19.2 volt hammer drill. Well, by now it ought to be obvious how I feel about this shaver. Unless you want to jackhammer up against your ear every day and the long-term hearing damage that comes along with that, under no circumstances should you buy this Remington razor. In fact, it probably ought to be pulled from the market. Thanks for watching.